Blackberry Black Cascade is probably the best fruit you could wish to grow on your patio because you can grow this particular variety in a hanging basket. So if you haven't got a garden, you haven't got an allotment, you haven't really got anywhere normally where you might want to grow fruits and vegetables, you can now grow this particular one in a hanging basket, in a pot or any container basically. So it will gently cascade over, producing fruits around about September time. Now, if like me, you normally associate blackberry picking with September time normally, and you're perhaps on the edge of a farmer's field and you've got those big brambles, as I like to describe them, because they really are a bit brambly, big sharp thorns, you're scratching your arms and so on. Well, again, Black Cascade has no thorns at all, so you can pick this without any pain. It's a brilliant variety. Best of all, and this is the really good thing about this, the fruits are sweet, they're juicy, and they're absolutely delicious. So you can eat them straight from the plant. You can, of course, cook with them and make that typical blackberry and apple pie, as you normally would, but these are super sweet, so they are delicious on your breakfast or picked fresh. Put them on a cheesecake, do what you want with them, but they are absolutely delicious. So, Blackberry Black Cascade, I think probably one of the biggest breakthroughs in blackberries for decades. You can grow it on your patio, you can grow it in a hanging basket on your patio, so there's no reason now for you to not grow beautiful, tasty blackberries.